Hey guys, so I know long time no see and I look crazy, but I am gonna do a quick hair tutorial for you guys. I found this banana clip that is amazing. Actually, I used to use it in the past, but it was a long time ago and the one I had broke, and for the longest time I had a very hard time trying to find a replacement for it, and I don't know why, because these are like the best banana clips. So yeah, so here's what it looks like. It's a softer plastic banana clip, kinda, compared to the other kind, and it has a hinge here that doesn't snap open like other banana clips. Like, they should make all of them like this, but yeah, I bought them, I found them online at Icing. It's like a Claire's, another version of Claire's, but they have an online store and stores in the mall. But when I bought them, they were on sale, and I think they cost like $164 or something each, so I bought a whole bunch of them. But I think they still have them there. They have them at the store and online, but check online first because it might be cheaper. But yeah, I'm gonna show you a quick hair tutorial about how to get the best ponytail with this awesome banana clip, so stay tuned.